Crude oil, we start with daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, price broke this top, but the reverse. Okay, and even if we refer to daily chart, we see after the breakout of this top, when we put this one relative to each other, the indicators show us the divergence. MACD as well here. Okay, sorry, this one we show again because we can see the divergence. All right, after the breakout of this top. Okay, no, the thing is whether this is the start of the down move or we are going to get the bigger correction. Now, want to see how we can trade it. If we move to forward chart, first of all, if we refer to our analysis, my weekly when the price was within this move, I mentioned we can expect the price to drop, and this is what we get. We have nothing to talk about based on forward chart. In this case, we move to 1 hour chart again. When the price was exactly within this move here, based on weekly chart, I'm sorry, weekly analysis, we mentioned the price is going to drop. The way is moving, and this is what we get. And internally, we could trade based on lower time frame, and this is what we get based on 1 hour chart to look for sell. Okay, and if we put this one in relative to this, MACD doesn't show us really good information, but the another one show us the divergence as well. Okay, now the thing is after the breakout of this top, this is where what we get. All right, now the question is whether this is the start of the down move or we can expect for the reversal, how we can trade it. First, if we want to look for sell, still we can expect what we have here. Repeat one more, we get one more here. That's mean we can look for sell, and the question is how deep it can go. If for example, we get one more drop, the next correction also we can look for sell. But any sell we consider from now, as long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it because the possibility of this one can give us a correction for one more drop, then the price reverse from there. Because if we put this one in relative to this, what we have based on this, I have the divergence, but the MACD doesn't show me anything. That's why still we can expect the one more correction to get one more drop. Then from there, we need to see how deep it can go. But if we look for sell, as long as we get into the profit with the breakout of this low, if it is not moving, is correcting, we we manage the trade. And can we look for buy? If we want to look for buy in case this is a correction for reversal, the best thing is let the price give us one more drop. Then from there, if we see any reversal, we look for buy, at least with a short move of like, if we get any trade set up. And if the price continue from here, right now we have nothing to look for buy. If the price move sharply with the flag, maybe we can buy with the top of this, with this top. When the price come to this high, start to manage because it's still the price, the top is which is 65.9, because still we can expect we get one more up and for bigger correction for one more drop. That means any sharp move with the flag, when the price come to this top, if we get the buy, we want the price to break the top. If not, we take out the trade we consider as a short term. Okay, as I say, mostly we are more interested in the sell. Then from there we need to see how deep it can go. After the price drop, if we see the reversal, this is the best we can look for buy rather than buying here. Okay, and what we mentioned is in case the price continue from here without giving us a one more drop. Anyway, we just follow the chart and we see how we can trade it. And one more thing, if we get the sell, in case this is the start of the down move, it can give us really good trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or changes, then I will share. Thanks.